Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ham with the N54 135. So today's plans are we're gonna go on a cruise. It's gonna be like an hour and a half. We're gonna get some rollers and some clips down the highway going on this cruise. There's gonna be like some GTRs, a couple Nissan Zs, a bunch of M4s, M3s. But right now I currently got the car warming up for the rest of the day. So I'll go ahead and show you all that. All right guys, so we're back. I got class. I'm a student at GCU, so I got class at 7 this morning. It's like 6:22 right now. But as you can see, I got a Christmas tree of lights on the dash. Oh dang, look at all the traffic over there. I'm not going that way. But yeah, these lights are so nice. I'm so thankful. Me and my homie Jay were able to do this. Yeah, got the starlights too. Everything's in here, you know what I'm saying? Like everything's up in here. Everything looks nice.
What is up, guys? We're back with another video, and we're on our way to the car meet and the cruise, car meet / cruise, and we're low-key late, but it's okay. We had to make sure his 135 was clean and up to par. We don't want to be the only dirty ones, and he just got it back yesterday, so we got to make sure it's clean. Hopefully we still get in, but we'll see. Get away from these hoonigans. Live out here, you know a pet peeve is going 60 miles per hour on the HOV lane. Don't do that, please. Like if this was GTA, I would probably like, you know, get in my Insurgent and like just blow it up. He literally told me it was the other address. I looked, there's another address here. Like I was saying, we went to the wrong address. What was all that for? That shit was funny. We got to the location after probably an hour of driving, if not damn near, because we basically went all the way up to Peoria to come all the way back down to Dysart. So just to drive back over there. But after that, we're gonna call it a day because we got shit to do tomorrow, guys. We got shit to do. So I believe it's like to the left over here by Taco. No way, Lambo doors. Oh shit. It literally says no revving, but obviously, you know, people don't listen. Clean little FRS. Sheesh. Little E92. This is clean. Men's E92. Sheesh. Interior. He got the spinners on him. Hey. 135. I sitting down. Pretty. Eyebrow is still broken. This is crazy. Clean E92 though. Supercar? What the? This is the guy we seen on the highway. This is clean. Barely see these. This is clean. This is nice. This is
There's
clean.
one up there too.
Really? I think this is the one he was talking about. Fast boy. V-Lock. This is clean. Barely see these. Godzilla? Jeez. This is clean. R35s are always clean. Uh-oh. 12. It's like Fast and Furious. We all just jump in our cars. This one's like a paint or something, like a marker. I forgot the name of it. This was the S13, I think. Yeah. What? Volkswagens. Jeez, top mount. Fast boys. This one's clean. Clean M2. Ford's carbon, huh? This is clean. Oh, this is the one I seen on the Instagram. It's nice. Jeez, what is this, R32? Clean R32. Jeez. Okay, my boy. Damn, yeah, this shit is clean. The M2 is like low-key my favorite one here, besides the R35. Where do we meet up? What, we huddle up or what?
For one, I know we said we're gonna roll out at 8. We're gonna wait till around 8:15. Flush is running late. They're bringing like a few cars. We're waiting for them. They have a camera car, all that good stuff. So we have to wait for them.
Okay.
Yeah, bro, I know.
Bro got the Raven spec. I was hitting the Gapplebees. Why is this actually clean? Oh shit. E30 boys. They're gonna flame me for that? Look how it just sits right here. This is cool. G82? Where it all started right here. Little RSX boys. Sheesh, bro threw his doors up. Sick ass phone. Bro, I remember I had like 3 of these, bro. Literally 3 of these. Literally, guys, this is like my first car. Yeah, the Civic over there too. Is that a dog? I didn't even see him. Supercar? Question mark? This is clean. I low-key like red and black. Oh shit, my boy's still here. It's him. Yeah. This is clean. Okay. The brake does go crazy.
Yeah, hell
Look at the wrap though. This shit's clean. Shit's clean. Okay, my boy. Yeah. Uh-oh. Little M55. Oh shit, better watch out. Nah, this is dope. This is clean. This is hella clean. So we're going back in the car and we're gonna get some rollers pretty much. We pretty much follow everyone else here, so it's like Fast and Furious. Everyone roll out. Literally everyone just rolls out. Sick ass fool. Jeez. Look at my boy in the big, what is that, an S? I don't even know, guys. Comment down below, what is that? Clean ass dude. Bro, that color is just sick. This F82, bro. What you guys think? E92 M3 or F80 M3? Comment down below. I say F80, I'm sorry. So we're all rolling out right now. We're about to just like go to some cruise, and then pretty much after that, me and Ham are probably gonna head home. But for now, sick ass R33. It looks like a dragon, huh? It's a little wagon. Okay. Mama Duke's doing? L Mama Duke's. Is this E90 right here? The E90 is still behind us, but I'm pretty sure he probably doesn't even know where he's going. He's just following him. That shit's funny. I think right now we're going to Gilbert. Pretty much the cruise was supposed to be from where we just were to where we're going. So I don't know where we're going though. I just know we're going over there. And a lot of the cars are way behind us, so we're trying to like slow down because we were low-key like spazzing out. But we're trying to get some, you know, contact on the other cars. R33 right here. R33. Another one. Guys, we're pretty much at the we're pretty much at the next location. I don't know. We went from an Ashley's Furniture to an Arby's. Oh, literally. But I don't know what we're doing here. But I don't know, more content, I guess. But I guess this is a location only some people got. Well, whoever got that email. So
I just want to let y'all know this is not an M2. People keep saying nice M2, bro. It's not an M2.
yeah, whoever's watching this video is not an M2. We're literally gonna put the badge M question mark as a troll because no one ever knows. So.
It's an M8.
Slam boys. All right, so we're at the next location here. E92 M3's parking right next to us, of course. M2? M2? It's E92 from earlier. So it's clean. Bunch of little Beamers over there. GTR. Same dude from earlier. Jesus. Dude, this is really... Damn! Yo, that actually sounded like a gunshot, bro.
What was that?
It was the Gap Cam one. This shit's clean though. I've always loved the blue on it. I don't know. I love whoever's car. I think it's this car. This shit's fire as fuck. M2s are growing on me, and he has Fords. I don't know if you can see. He has like Fords carbon. This shit is mint.
Nate's selling like M2 brakes and I can put them online.
Really?
Yeah.
Clean M2.
We had them on the 235 IS.
Jeez.
Look at the RSX.
This shit's clean. Oh, I think bro's a menace. Jesus. VQ boys. Oh shit, Purple Skull Trooper. Okay.
Turbo 2.
Bro's not playing. This shit's clean.
What size it is.
Look at the size, bro.
This thing's clean, bro. It's not a silver.
Bro didn't come to play at all. I don't know. White is hidden right now. White is hidden. Uh-oh. 2468. Hey. Hey. What the hell? Long story short, guys. Popo pulled up and we got to get out of here now. Because, yeah, they're going to try to conduct an investigation at us. Nah, we're just leaving before they, you know.
Alright guys, so we're gonna call it a night. It was a pretty good cruise, but we just got gas. Shout out Jay for the gas. Everybody keeps saying the 135i is a M2, but obviously it's not an M2. But Jay's doing his outro too. We're just gonna start doing this content shit for real. You know, 20 bucks at a time because we're broke like that.